Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm over here at my repair shop, Donor Auto in Anchorage, Alaska. I got a quick tip here. This one's going to be a quickie. I got this 2014 GMC Savannah with the 5.3. It's going to be similar to, of course, the Chevy Express, but this tip's going to include probably year models 06 through 2018. A broad swath of GM products where you've entered reduced power mode. And this particular one had a code P1516. You may be getting a P0068, P0121, P0506, P0507, that P1516, or maybe even a P2101, P2119, and or P2176, and you may enter reduced power mode, such as this customer complained of. And in this case, and in many, you want to take a look at your throttle body. Over time, as carbon builds up, of course, your throttle body requires the idle learn based in the PCM to adjust the idle, since it uses these air passages to maintain idle of the vehicle and compensate for the amount of carbon buildup. Well, as the gets to an extent where it can't compensate anymore, and you may enter reduced power mode or display one of these codes. And in this case, I pulled the intake duct off, and it's a carbon fest. So there's lots of videos about this sort of issue, but I actually had not had one enter the reduced power mode, at least from my recollection, because of it. But obviously a common problem. So what we're going to do in this case, pretty quick deal, pull the throttle body, completely clean it out, reinstall it, and do an idle learn reset. So this may not be a DIY deal unless you have the capable scan tool. If you do not do the idle learn reset after cleaning, you may encounter a return code P0506 or 507 because it has not relearned the saved value for idle compensation. So I'm going to pull this off and clean it up. So as you can see, it's seriously carboned up and more than likely has never been cleaned. So I think we're on to something. Okay, I got this thing all cleaned up. It's shiny and new. I'm not going to show that, but I do have a great video around cleaning throttle bodies that I'll drop a link to below. But in the meantime, go ahead and slap this back on here. Sorry I'm not showing my face too much today. I know a lot of you are here just for the eye candy, but I have a big pimple on the between my eyes right now. Okay, got my bolts, got my proactive. This is a proactive repair. Oh yeah. Okay. Go ahead and reconnect it. You want to be careful whenever you work on throttle controls, as Toyota owners will tell you. You need it to be working right afterwards. You do not want your throttle sticking. Not good. Okay, I got things reconnected, buttoned up, plugged back in. So we'll go ahead and grab the scan tool and do an idle learn reset. And once we reset those values, Of course, we need to run the vehicle, get it to operating temperature, and make sure it's not going to stall. Also clear the codes while we're in here. See what we got here. Clear codes. Okay. Yeah, I always have a hard time remembering, but on the Solus or most Snap-on scan tools, you go into module setup, and then there's a idle learn reset, key on, engine off. Press yes to reset. Procedure in progress. Please wait. Test is complete. So we'll go back and run it for a bit. Make sure we maintain a good eye. Well, we got this one back on the road. It's all better now. And hope this video was helpful. And I'm going to go apply some Proactive and get that under control there. But I do appreciate you watching. If you're new here, or even if you're returning for the eye candy, like I said, thank you. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on the Car Doctor channel. Take care.